a big man, okay, but what is happening to you? Who are you living with? Mepaka. No, there is somebody you wanted to marry before. You know, you can't pass my uniform.
Yes.
You saw uniform. Everybody believed that two of you will marry.
Yes, but
Did he tell you about a girl he was wearing uniform with and everything? Huh?
She only told me that
Jingia ukuya adiama. You better not tell for what you don't know. Know too much. People that curse him are many. This guy is supposed to be very rich. He's diminishing every day. There is a particular lady, I don't call them. They were wearing uniform all the time. He saw uniform with her several times. He saw uniform with her. Yes or no?
yes.
What are you trying to run around the bush? Mepono. One yoma. Ibakwasisha. Ibase buru yenka. Ne. Nso badero. Ilolo oyo budo yibo. Favor will come. Bring her up. Nde bring on bribo. But the mercy of God come upon you.
Amen.
You question where you go. Man, they bring on too much. You are a figure. A figure. Those that cause you have one person or two. Ndi question is only bribo. Ndi yana ka bribo. Ndi bono through you can see abo mad bribo. May the mercy of God.
Yana maka.
Nyerengaka. Oh yeah, come. Nyerengaka. Happier. Freedom. Happier. Freedom, Abeno. Hey, teacher. Oh, yeah, teacher. Oh, yeah, teacher. Yeah, don't let that thing. Yeah, don't let that thing. Happier. Don't let that be. Put it off for me. Put it in. Chidiaka. Chidiaka. I see him snub. He with a health issue, but today you are healed. Amen. And you are delivered. Amen. And you will have children. Amen.
Tomorrow morning you will get the most wonderful gift from God if you share this video with 3 people and follow us if you believe.
Sign up on 1xBet with my promo code WISEBET71 and get 300% on your deposit.